wanted to add an old wooden water tank to my transition era garden railroad. Something like this tank located at Auger, Colorado, along the Cambres and Toltec Railroad. This is typical of the water tanks used by the early steam railroads. The base is made of square wooden posts held together with diagonal wooden braces and iron tension rods. A wooden platform atop the posts supports the water tank. The tank is cylindrical and made from wooden staves held together with metal bands that encircle the tank. The ends of the bands are connected to each other with a tensioning device in order to be able to tighten the bands around the tank. This tank, located in Antonito, Colorado, is similar to the one at Auger, with a wooden platform supporting the tank and round metal rods as tank bands. I use this tank as an example to build a water tank for my garden railroad. I built my tank using redwood boards for the structure and brass rods for the tank bands. It came out quite well, and it looked very convincing. However, the brass rods were too stiff. They didn't conform well to the tank staves. And when moisture caused the tank to expand and contract, the bands would slip down unevenly, no matter how hard I tried to tension them or support them. There's another water tank located on the Cambres and Toltec, this one in Chama, New Mexico. It uses flat metal bars in addition to the round bars for the tank bands. I also found some references that show that Colorado Southern had water tanks that used only the flat metal bands. I went looking for flat tank bands to replace the brass rods, and I found low-profile nylon ties that are UV resistant. These have connections which lie flat when pulled tight, as opposed to the more traditional cable ties, which protrude when drawn tight. So I removed the brass rods and I installed the low-profile nylon cable ties to the tank. These ties make a good visual representation of the flat metal bar tank bands. They're also elastic enough to conform well to the tank staves, and they hold tightly enough to stay straight and not slip when moisture changes cause the tank to expand or contract.
If you found the video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to be informed about future content. Thank you for watching.